Welcome to the ultimate foodie adventure at Julia and Henry's, Miami's newest food hall located on Flagler Street. Ever wondered what it's like to step inside one of Miami's coolest spots that's not just a food haven but an entertainment destination too? Well, today we're going to dive into everything this 7-floor food wonderland has to offer. You won't want to miss a bite of this one. Julia and Henry's opened in June 2023 and is already shaking up the food scene in downtown Miami. This isn't just any food hall. It's Miami's take on what a modern food hall should be. Spread over 7 floors with 26 different culinary concepts and some of the best chefs from around the world. You're not just eating here. You're experiencing something new every time you visit. Award-winning chefs like Massimo Bottura, Tomas Calica, and Renzo Garibaldi, alongside local favorites like Michelle Bernstein and Jose Mendin. Whether you're craving South American flavors, vegan delights, or the best ramen in South Florida, Julia and Henry's has it all. Alright, let's talk about where you can find us most of the time. The bars. Whether you're into craft beer, fine wine, or creative cocktails, Julia and Henry's delivers. We kicked things off at Box Elder Craft Beer Bar with rotating taps featuring Miami's best brews. But if wine's more your style, head to La Epoca Wine Bar, where you can sip and savor to your heart's content. One bar you must visit is the Lassiter on the 3rd floor. It's a jaw-dropping spot known for cocktails like the Guayaba Collins and the Alligator Alley with mezcal and wasabi basil syrup. Sadly, we didn't try it this time, but don't worry.
I'll be back.
Now, let's talk about the heart of Julia and Henry's, the food. With 26 different culinary concepts, you're about to get a taste of the world, all under one roof. From casual bites to gourmet meals, Julia and Henry's food lineup offers something for every craving. Let's start with some standouts. Craving some comfort food? Head over to Mishys Chicken Shack by award-winning chef Michelle Bernstein, where you'll find crispy fried chicken sandwiches that will knock your socks off. It's juicy, crispy, and perfect for a quick indulgence. And if you're into something on the lighter side, Michelle's got you covered at Rozu with fresh, flavorful poke bowls loaded with sushi-grade tuna and vibrant veggies. For Asian-inspired delights, check out the Poke OG or Nozomi. But if dumplings are more your thing, you have to try the signature carbonara dumplings at Zit Sum. A fusion of Italian and Asian flavors, these dumplings are creamy, rich, and utterly irresistible. Burger fans, listen up! You can't miss the Wagyu Burger at June, which comes with tender, melt-in-your-mouth Wagyu beef, topped with gourmet cheese, caramelized onions, and a special house sauce.
Nice.
And if you're in the mood for something a little heartier, make sure to visit BAG. Their bagels are everything you didn't know you needed. Whether you're into a simple cream cheese spread or a fully loaded lox sandwich, they've got you covered. For those looking to indulge in global flavors, look no further than NEs BBQ and Ms Steakhouse. From flame-kissed steaks to succulent empanadas, you'll get a taste of Latin-inspired barbecue at its finest. Don't forget about Koshi, where sushi lovers can dive into some of the freshest fish flown in directly from Japan. Now, let's not forget about dessert. At OMG Brigadeiros, Brazilian brigadeiros are not just a treat for your taste buds, but a feast for your eyes. These bite-sized chocolate confections come in all kinds of flavors: coconut, pistachio, hazelnut, you name it. And if pastries are more your thing, head to Jan Couvreur Patisserie, where award-winning French pastry chef Jan Couvreur is creating some of the most stunning and delicious pastries in Miami. Try the Paris Brest or the Tarte Framboise and thank me later. Whether you're craving something sweet or savory, quick or fancy, Julia and Henry's offers a culinary adventure for every palate. It's truly a melting pot of global flavors, all in one extraordinary setting. Before you head to Julia and Henry's, here are a few things to keep in mind. It operates on a first-come, first-served basis, so you might want to avoid peak times to skip long waits. And yes, you can order food straight from the bars by scanning a QR code. How convenient is that? The food hall caters to every budget, whether you're looking for a casual bite or something more upscale. Plus, with operating hours that stretch from breakfast till late dinner, there's always something delicious waiting for you. So is Julia and Henry's worth a visit? Absolutely. It's more than just a place to eat. It's a Miami experience like no other. Whether you're coming for the food, the drinks, or just the vibe, you're guaranteed to leave with a full stomach and a ton of Instagram-worthy photos. I'm already planning my next trip to finally try those carbonara dumplings and hit up the Lassiter for a cocktail or two. So don't walk. Run to Julia and Henry's and let me know in the comments what you think of this Miami food paradise. Thanks for joining us on this tasty tour of Julia and Henry's. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future foodie adventures. See you in the next one.